Get ready with me for Ren Faire. I'm taking my coworkers. Okay, makeup is done. So I got this blouse from Zutzu the last time I was there, and I really want to like wear it this time. This is what it looks like. Let's put it on. Okay, this is what the blouse looks like. I want to pair what I'm wearing with this gray skirt that I have, if I can easily find it. This is it. I have barely worn this. I got this from Italy, I think from Positano. Don't quote me on that. But I want to wear it so bad. Let's put it together and see how it looks. Okay, this is it so far. I'm thinking I want to layer this though. I have another asymmetrical black skirt, but I can't find it, so I ended up putting this under it. I don't know. How do you guys like this? Pin the corset time. Mila moment. Obviously this guy, probably a mushroom. Where's my scepter? Probably the scepter. Turtle maybe? I don't know. Let's start there. I ended up putting the scepter in the middle. I don't know how I feel about it, but let's try it on and see. There we go. Okay, I'm digging it. It looks pretty cool. I'm probably gonna put my hair in a bun because it's always hot at the fair because it's midsummer. It's night dream. My coworkers just got here and I was in the middle of putting on necklaces, doing my hair. So let's hop in the elevator and grab them.
You know what? I Google the weirdest shit. I'll wake up and be like,
wait, okay.